Good morning, everybody, and this is your Forex day trade setup for today. So starting off with EUR-USD as normal, and we had this consolidation flag from last week, and most of this week I've been saying to you that that's looking like a retest of that flag, and you can see the measured move target was met. So there's the move up, and we consolidate, second move up, there's the measured move target, and got there, and the bulls taking profit at the moment. So I'm looking for an opportunity to buy back into this, and the only opportunity I can really see a little bit further down at this consolidation area. So there's our move up, there's our consolidation. So I'm looking for a move down to 120.939, and what that's going to do for me is give me an extended target of 121.952. So just get down to the hour, that's the one we want to be trading. Okay, our gap up is closed already, and you can see there is another little area here that we can also pay attention to, is right there. So 121.160 is the first area to watch, and then 129.39 is the second area to watch. Just watch this oscillator at the moment. It's not looking very conducive to any longs. First attempt up, second attempt up, and now we're pulling back. So we could fall a little bit further. Even I would like to see it down here at 129.39. That would give us a fairly decent entry. Okay, and I don't think the 15 minutes going to show up. Well, maybe strong move down, exhaustion bar into some structure. Very possible. Look at my oscillator starting to indicate that we're looking for a move to the upside. So yeah, I think that's kind of my view at the moment. Wait for those pullbacks and buy into it. US dollar, Japanese yen. Yesterday we discussed this in depth. We had the channel break that we've had most this week. Came up into a few areas. These tails here blew past all of them, and basically picked an arbitrary level, which is this one here. I would have expected the gap or something around here to offer the resistance. Didn't really materialize, got back up to this area, and then the profit taking happened. Now the interesting thing is that we've got buyers stepping in at the moment, so it's pretty much the same as what's happening on the EUR-USD. But yeah, nothing really to write home about. On the hour, look at this, pretty decent. Didn't quite come down to the level, and we can actually just fine-tune that level just to pick up this tail, and you can see that's where we are. Look at the oscillator at the moment, okay, and look at the previous low. There's the previous low. Look where the oscillators are. This is higher than that area, whereas oscillators are lower. So that is divergence. Divergence is always indicating that something is about to happen, and it does look like we are testing this 155. So this level is key today, 108.432. If we can hold it, it's a good buying opportunity. And you're looking first for 109, and then you're looking for 109.300. So those are the two targets to the upside. British pound, Japanese yen. We're pretty much still in this consolidation phase. The one thing that I do see that is pretty interesting is we have tested the 155 here. You can see the oscillators and the 155 EMA, and we're back up at this area here. So I would expect us to sort of sell off here, and then I'm looking for us to kind of build some structure. We've got to get above this high of previous week to go higher, and that's the bottom line here. But it is in a pretty big consolidation area. It has been trending pretty well. Look at the moving averages. We are holding moving averages fairly well. Bring up some levels here. So there's a decent level. You can see we held it most of yesterday. So these are the two areas we want to see hold. So it is 151.318 and a break and retest of 151.558. And that's what we're looking for at the moment. But if you look at the left, you do have pretty huge amount of resistance ahead of us as well, which is roughly up here as well. So 151,940. So it's another area we need to break through. So there's small gains to be made here. I don't think nothing really exciting for me anyway. It does look like a bit of a triangle forming on the 15-minute, but that's really just going to target the next level up, 159.40. So yeah, there probably is a small trade there to the upside. Just watch these levels. We start dropping below these levels, and that trade is off. Euro, British pound, nothing going on at the moment. Look at this consolidation this week. There's absolutely nothing happening. And remember what I said to you in the beginning of the week. We're looking for a break above 87,167. 8700. Those are the areas we're looking to break above, which is going to validate a big inverse head and shoulders. So I can pretty much guarantee you that there are multiple traders watching this pattern at the moment, and as soon as they see it break, they're going to be jumping in, which is just going to accelerate it to the upside. So keep this on your watch list. It's really looking interesting. At the moment, there is no trade. So we are sideways. We've been sideways for basically 3 days now. There's absolutely no reason to be jumping in on this just yet. Wait for the break and retest. That's the opportunity for you. You've got a massive target up ahead of you. So 087784. So patience is still key here. Don't try and jump in here and expect it to happen overnight. This is going to be a couple of days trade that is setting up. So bear that in mind. And look, that's it for me on Forex. I don't think there's anything else we can add today. Nothing, I don't think, we've got a bit of news coming out this afternoon, but nothing really major. Just a jobs number from the US, which should impact the dollar a little bit. Apart from that, nothing to worry about. So just pay attention to your levels and make sure your stops are in, and you should have a fairly interesting trading day. Anyway, hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.